Hi Taurus, thank you so much for tuning in to Root Word of Beast Tarot. We're just going to jump right in and see what you need to know right now. Okay, let's see Taurus Collective. What does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? Taurus Collective. Okay, so there's something about some sort of party that you may go to. Something about you may go in the bathroom of some sort of club or something like that. Okay. You may be offered some sort of deal or something to that equivalent. I'm seeing a whole bunch of people at a round table with some sort of business plan in between that round table. So there's some sort of deal that you're making, or there's some sort of deal on the table here. Okay, something about a receipt is significant here. You may have to have some sort of documentation or receipts or something like that. But you're in some sort of king or queen seat. A Libra may be significant. Okay, I'm just seeing a king or queen seat. Okay. Typically I see that in Libra's read, so that's why I said Libra. Or you may have Libra highly aspected in your chart. All right. That's what I'm seeing. Some sort of deal is on the table here. Okay, something about a scientist. You could be studying biology or into biology, or you could have studied biology or something to that equivalent. Something about a scientist is significant, or a white coat is significant. Maybe you're a nurse or something like that. Maybe you're getting a new job to be a nurse or a dentist or some sort of doctor, or you're doctoring to something like that. But something about a disco ball is what I'm seeing here. Okay, so you may be partying. Okay, you may go to some sort of party and then you go into the bathroom of some sort of party or something like that. Okay. Yeah, there's some sort of celebration. You're at some sort of party, I'm seeing. Okay, I'm seeing a disco ball. Now I'm seeing a chandelier. This may be a dress-up party. A party where you have to dress up or something like that. Okay, let's get into the read, because I'm not really seeing anything else but a deal is on the table. Something about a deal being on the table. Okay, let's clear the energy for Taurus Collective. Taurus Collective, what does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? Okay. Let's see, Taurus Collective, what does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? What does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? This is a big deck, guys. All right, first card that came out is Clean Up. Okay. Let's see. What does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? What does our Taurus Collective need to know? Second card is Too Busy Winning. This card just ripped. Second card is Too Busy Winning. Okay. Let's see. What does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? What does our Taurus Collective need to know right now? Damn. Then we have affair. Then we have fraud here. Okay. That came out in your reading. That keeps coming out. Somebody's doing some sort of... Somebody's doing some shit they ain't supposed to be doing. Alright. Taurus Collective. What is clean up for Taurus Collective? What is clean up for Taurus Collective? So you're too busy winning here. You're cleaning up your life, okay? You're blocking people out of your life here. Okay, this is a new phase for you here. I see a moon on this card. This is like, this could be towards a new moon or a new phase. You're cleaning people out of your life here because you're too busy winning. Okay, you're avoiding poverty. Okay, so you're cleaning up your life. You're avoiding poverty. You could be hustling a little bit harder here. You're staying out of drama. Okay, you're cleaning up your life. What is too busy winning? So you're going harder in whatever you're doing as far as work or something to that equivalent here. Okay. Yeah, what is this? What's too busy winning? Yeah, somebody secretly does some sort of fraud, or somebody secretly in the streets is what we keep on picking up on. Somebody secretly does some sort of fraud here, or somebody secretly in the streets here. Somebody can have a side piece or something like that. You're falling off with somebody and letting somebody go because they be having side pieces or something like that. And you're thinking about cleaning up your life and just focusing on yourself. cleaning up your life and focusing on your money. You're thinking about how you can get more money here. You're trying to avoid some sort of poverty. You're thinking how you can get more money. What's affair? Yeah, we have affair in the middle of your reading. So definitely, yeah, you're cleaning up somebody out of your damn life here. Somebody could, and this person could be in the streets or something like that. This person could do some sort of fraud or in the streets secretly. Okay, you may not know this, that this person does some sort of illegal shit. Okay, this is someone that you could be hooking up with, like rolling around the mattress with. Okay, with this affair. This person could have had an affair on you. Okay, and you're in some sort of remorse, regret here. Okay, what's fraud? Yeah, somebody does some sort of fraud. Exactly what it's saying. This could be somebody that you have some sort of relationship with. You're cleaning this person up out of your life here, and you're going harder. You're going harder with your business. You're going harder with your job. You're focusing harder on your work or your job. This person betrayed you in some form of fashion here. Yeah, this person's not an option anymore. You're cutting this person out of your life. Okay? This street hustler or this street person. You're cutting this person out of your life who had an affair on you. Okay? Let's see. Why do you need to know this right now? Why do you need to know this right now? Because you're moving forward to calmer waters. You're moving forward to calmer waters. Why do you need to know this right now? Yeah, somebody may be trying to explain or give you, or you got some sort of information here about the future. You may be very psychic. You may be a high priestess here or a magician here. Yeah, the best thing for you to do, you're feeling, is to move forward from this person who does some sort of street work or something like that. Yeah, you're getting some sort of information about your future. You could be getting a reading or something to that equivalent. Something about a child here as well. You may have 2 children. You don't have to. Yeah, something about a child. You're looking at your child's future as well as your future. Okay, yeah, and you don't want no drama. You don't want nothing to come back on you. You don't want none of that fraud shit or that street shit to come back on you. Yeah, that's the truth here. You don't want none of that fraud shit or that street shit to come back on you. Okay, so you're cleaning up your life here. You're cleaning up your life. Yeah, somebody can potentially go to jail or something like that. You're looking into the future about somebody potentially going to jail. And if they do, this came up in the upright, it'll be over anyways. Yeah, this person may stay in the streets. Yeah, you're putting 2 and 2 together. This person may stay in the streets or something like that. And this person cannot get out of the streets. Yeah, this person's sneaky. Yeah, this person gets money in some form of hurtful way. You're finding out through a high priestess about how this person gets their money or something like that. Okay, or this could be you. You could be in them streets or something like that, and you're losing a lover, and you're cleaning up your life here, and you're just focusing on money here, okay? And you're looking into the future, and you're thinking about your children. You're thinking about who you're going to be in a relationship with. Let's get some more. And you're putting 2 and 2 together, and this can potentially lead you in jail, some sort of street life that you're living or doing. Okay, let's get some more. We have happiness hater that wanted to come out. Okay. Let's get some more. Let's see. Then we have anger management. Okay, somebody may be angry here. Then we have digging for dirt. Somebody could be looking. And then we have running here. Okay, let's see. What do you need to know right now? What is happiness hater? Yeah, you could fall off with somebody. Like I said before, like you're cleaning house. You're falling off with somebody that's very manipulative. You're falling off with somebody that's very cold, very manipulative, very calculated. Okay? And you're getting a new person. You're getting an emperor here. Or an empress here. And this person doesn't want to see you happy or something like that. This person doesn't want to see you with somebody new, but this person doesn't get their money in a right way. This person manipulates the way that they get money here. And material gain, whoever you're currently in a relationship with or whoever you previously were in a relationship with. This person doesn't want to see you happy with anybody else. What's anger management? Yeah, so you don't play that shit. You have a strict policy, Taurus. You have a strict policy, and you trying to, your main focus is to come out of poverty. Your main focus is to come out of poverty here. You're running away because this person does some sort of street shit. This person does some sort of fraud. This person can put you in some bullshit, and you're running away because you're not trying to be caught up in something like that. Or this could be you. You feel like you want to get out of this street life or something like that. And you're doing it for love. Because you don't want to see the person that you're with someone else. And the person that you're with don't play that shit. Take it how it resonates. Flip it, switch it. Okay? Take it how it resonates. Alright, so you're... what is running... Somebody is running to someone new. Or somebody's finding some sort of new way. You're running to find some sort of new way to make some sort of money. You're running to find some sort of new way to make some sort of money. Because somebody could be on to you or digging in your business of how you get your money or something like that. Somebody could be trying to see how you get your money or something to that equivalent here. So you're trying to find a new way to get some sort of money. What's dirt digging? What's dirt digging? Yeah. What's dirt digging? Somebody's taking some sort of risk. Yeah, somebody went to some sort of high priestess, bro, and found out how somebody is getting their money or something like that. Okay? What's this high priestess in reverse? Or you are this high priestess, Taurus, and you're ashamed, you're in regret of how somebody gets their money. Somebody ain't got no job, Tommy. Okay? You're going to somebody's work or something like that, and somebody doesn't have any a job or something like that. You went to somebody's job and you didn't find them there, or you realizing that somebody doesn't have a job and you're cleaning up your life. You don't want that shit in your life. You're getting new ways. You're making new ways to make money and stuff like that. You don't need this person tearing you down. You don't need this street shit coming back on you. Okay? Your main focus is cleaning house. You're cleaning up. You're moving on to calmer waters. You're moving on to calmer waters. You may even be moving out of a home soon. Yeah, something about this Queen of Wands here. Yeah, you're finding somebody new. You're finding somebody new as well. You don't want this street hustler shit anymore. Okay? That's the truth. That's the truth. Yeah, that's the truth of what you're thinking here. This person can potentially mess up your finances or potentially mess up your life or something like that. Or this is you, Taurus. You're thinking about finding something new because this can potentially mess up your life or something to that equivalent. What's the warning message or the advice message? What's the warning message or the advice message? Somebody is weak. This is exposing somebody's weakness. This message is exposing somebody's weakness in the future. So you see that somebody is weak in the future and you're removing yourself out of this shit. You see that there's not going to be a good future for you and this person. You're moving yourself out of this shit and you're going in a different direction. You're going to where the money resides here. Okay? You're finding a new way to make some sort of money. Or this person, this street hustler, can make a lot of money or something like that, who does some sort of fraud or some sort of illegal shit in the streets or something like that. And you're moving away from that. Okay? Because you see that this shit is weak, or you see that this shit can't stand the test of time. Yeah. This person may be trying to hold on to you or something like that. Right when I said that, this person may be trying to hold on to you. This street hustler or somebody like that may be trying to hold on to you here. That's the truth. Or Taurus, you're trying to hold on and you're worried that this person may try to hold on to you or something like that. You're worried about some sort of unalivement, or you're worried that you may get hurt by leaving this person. Are you worried that this person is very dangerous or something like that? Yeah, because this person is just following you around wherever you go. This street hustler and something like that is following you around wherever you go. They don't want you to be with somebody new. They have some sort of anger management issues or something like that. Or some sort of anger issues or something like that. So your message is to leave somebody who's in the streets here and worry about your child, worry about your money. I do see that you're getting some sort of new opportunity, new money here. Okay, the Lovers in reverse. Yeah, something about your child here. You're looking at in the future of your child. You're worried about your child. You're worried about your money. Okay, so this reading is becoming redundant here. So we're going to stop. Yeah, and you're making a final decision here. You're in control of you're dominant. You're in control of your life here. And you're cutting people out of your life and you're letting them go. Okay? Who ain't got no job. Who ain't got no real job. You letting that shit go. Because you're looking at the future of your children. Okay? Or this is you, Taurus. You're looking at the future of your child. And you're letting that street life go. And you're also trying to hold on to somebody that you're in a relationship with. Because you don't want them to leave you. You don't want them to go. So you're caring about your family here. You're caring about your lover here. Okay? And you're also looking at your children here. You're trying to find a new way to make money. Okay? Take whichever resonates. Let's get some signs. Let's see, what signs are these? What signs do we have for Taurus Collective? First sign we have is Leo, Sun sign. Okay, second sign that we have is Capricorn. Okay, let's get 3 more. Third card we got is Libra. Fourth card we have is Pisces. Okay, fifth card we have. Let's see, let's get one more. Fifth card we have Sagittarius, Capricorn. And then we have Libra again. Okay. So thank you so much, Taurus, for tuning in. And yeah, new opportunities are coming to you, Taurus, and you're cleaning up your life is what you need to know right now, or you're making that decision to clean up your life. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.